Hello everyone! In this video, I'll guide you through the process of setting up Auto Accept payment on Cash App. To begin, start by opening the Cash App. Once inside, navigate to the Balance section. To do this, locate and tap on the corresponding icon. Scroll down slightly until you see an option called Recurring Deposits. When you find it, go ahead and enable the Auto Add Cash feature. Enabling this feature will prompt you to specify how frequently you'd like to add cash. You can choose your preferred frequency from the available options. After selecting the frequency, you'll be asked to provide the specific date on which you'd like to add cash. W3R7 additionally indicate the preferred amount you wish to add. At this stage, you will be required to provide a card for the deposit, so please ensure that you have a valid card linked to your Cash App account before proceeding. And that's all for this video. By the way, if you use the link in the description to sign up to Cash App, we will both get $5. The exact steps you need to take to get your free $5 are in the description as well.